Welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be making tiger nut drinks naturally without any added sugar. Okay, we'll have the tiger nuts. There are the dry ones, but you have to soak it. If you want to get this drink, you have to soak it to get overnight, sometimes, or 2 days, to get it to be this fresh tiger nuts. Then we'll have the dates as sweetener. These dates will serve as a natural sweetener. This is the dates, the dry one. So if you have this one, you have to soak it overnight, like for a day, to get to this. Then you remove the inside, the seeds. You have to remove the inside because it will spoil your blender. It will what you're using to blend. Then we have the coconuts. Also, they all bring out their own natural milk. Then we have the ginger. It's an antioxidant. It's very good for the health. So I normally add it into my tiger nut drinks to give it its own flavor. So we'll go ahead and pour it all. I have water here. I use clean drinking water whenever I'm sieving the tiger nuts, in the sense that you can't boil any of this. So but you have to use drinking water so that you don't have to boil. Added the coconut, the dates, tiger nuts, and the ginger. And then you have to blend it to turn it to like in powdery form. When it's well blended, you're getting out all the juice. But when it's not, you're throwing the juice away with some of the chaff. So you have to blend it to be very perfect. Okay, now we've blended it. Let's go ahead and sieve it. Use the spoon to juice it out, to bring out the milk. You can see it still has a lot of milk inside. So what I normally do to extract out all the milk, after the first time of sieving it, I'll take it back into the blender and add some more water. Out all the juice. I don't want to throw the milk away with the chaff. So continue the same process. With the added dates, you don't need any sweetener. You don't need another added sugar. Too much sugar is not good for our health. It's one of the leading causes of death. So let's make use of what we already have, natural. Personally, I do not refrigerate this drink for too long. Max 3 days. I don't want to lose any of its health benefits. So tasty, nutritious, and healthy. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please subscribe to my channel. And if this video has been helpful to you in any way, please smash the like button. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.